Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech24. Today, we're taking a look at the Flycolor Turbo Racing 176 Scale Drift RC car with Gyro. This mini car is packed with features that are sure to provide you with endless hours of fun. First off, let's talk about the high simulation headlights and LED light on the chassis. These lights not only add a realistic touch to the car, but they also provide a spotlight effect and double flash function. Plus, the chassis lamp can be controlled by channel 3, adding another level of customization to your driving experience. But that's not all. The tail light stoplights feature is a cool addition, as the taillights turn on during braking, adding an extra layer of authenticity to your driving experience. The THR-Curve upgrade is another exciting feature, providing a gentle and soft acceleration for the first half of the accelerator and then speeding up with strong power output for the second half. This upgrade brings a more exciting experience and a better feeling of operation and control. And let's not forget about the removable car shell. With 2 car body shells included, you can disassemble and customize your car to your heart's content. It's the perfect Christmas present for anyone who loves RC cars. And with a battery working time of up to 30 minutes and a Type-C charging port, you'll have plenty of time to enjoy your new RC car without worrying about constantly recharging it. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and grab your Flycolor Turbo Racing 176 Scale Drift RC car with Gyro today and take your RC car experience to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more amazing tech reviews and content. Thanks for watching.